This video will cover a GoHighLevel Direct Post buyer setup. Here we have some example GoHighLevel API specs. You'll start by copying and pasting your posting URL from your API specs into your buyer setup. The method will be post and the payload type will be JSON format. Next, copy and paste the sample body from your API specs into your payload builder. You'll then map the fields from the sample request using the green campaign field shortcodes from above the payload builder. You'll map the first name field to the first name campaign shortcode, and so on. Either email or phone is required. If you don't collect some of these other fields, you can safely delete them. If you need to add custom fields, you'll do that below in the section called Custom Field. If you are setting up your payload with custom field names, our system will automatically replace them with the custom field ID when you click Save. Next in the example, we have tags. Tags allow you to trigger different actions. An array must be built for tags to come through. Multiple tags will be separated by a comma. Tags are important as you can have custom workflow automations set up in your GoHighLevel account based on these values. Next is custom fields. These are like custom questions and will be formatted as an object. Please note that these custom fields must match the fields in your GoHighLevel account. As you can see, we collect Jornaya ID here as defined in our GoHighLevel account. This field is mapped to Jornaya lead ID in the payload builder. If you want to add another custom field, you would add that here. For headers, content type is automatically filled out when you select the JSON payload type above. For the header required in the API specs, authorization bearer token, the key on the left would be authorization and the value would be bearer followed by a token. You'd get this token from your GoHighLevel account or sub-account. For the response mapping for an accepted lead, the condition will be key contains, the key will be /contact/ID, and the value will be this asterisk, which in this case means any value. For a duplicate, you will select response contains, so that anything in the body containing the word duplicate will be marked as a dupe. That's it for a GoHighLevel buyer setup. If you have any questions, please use the support button or email us at support@leadprosper.io.